Hey everyone, Kyle here at Marcel Digital. We're lucky enough to be part of the incredible team organizing this year's Umbraco Festival right here in Chicago. If you're a developer working with the Umbraco CMS, you don't want to miss the upcoming Umbraco US Festival on October 4th, 2024. Here are a few key benefits for developers. First, networking. At Umbraco US Festival, you'll meet some of the best developers, designers, content teams, and marketers in the community. You'll get to share experiences, learn from peers, and build valuable connections within the incredible Umbraco community. Networking with peers can lead to new collaborations and opportunities, and even help you to create even more incredible solutions for you and your clients. Second, learning from the experts. The Umbraco US Festival features sessions led by Umbraco experts and industry influencers. You'll gain insights into best practices, advanced techniques, and upcoming features directly from the folks that use and optimize Umbraco on a daily basis. Third, training. Participate in hands-on workshops that provide practical experience with the latest Umbraco tools and functionalities. These sessions can help you enhance your skills and apply new knowledge to your projects immediately. Fourth, inspiration. Umbraco US Festival is a great place to share success stories, creative implementations, and innovative use cases of Umbraco to spark new ideas and inspire you to push the boundaries of what you can achieve with the CMS. And fifth, community support. Engage with one of the most incredibly supportive, active, and friendly development communities in the world. You'll make new connections and find answers to your questions and challenges along the way, making your development journey smoother and more enjoyable. So don't miss out. Join us at Umbraco Festival on Friday, October 4th here in Chicago and take your skills to the next level. Visit umbracofestival.us for more details. See you there.